Hi, KMS. Welcome to Technology 8 with Mrs. Hynes. So you may have gotten, hopefully, an invitation to your new Google Classroom for quarter four. We're going to be spending the rest of the year together. I just want to show you how our Google Classroom is set up, what's kind of expected from you from the portfolio side of things, and how you're going to get graded. So first things first, we do have class daily now. Your daily time is up here on your Google Classroom, so just check that out. It'll follow the same schedule that you've been used to. So every day we have about 40 minutes. When you come in, you'll probably be adding things to your portfolio every day. So you're going to need your Chromebook on the daily, and the day's assignment will be listed right here. Every week, you're going to get a graded assignment. Those graded assignments will live here forever. You're expected to update your portfolio and publish evidence of the work. Okay, so please only turn them in when you want a grade. If you hit turn in and there's nothing there, you're not going to like your grade, right? So hopefully by this point in the year, you figured out how to turn in assignments. That shouldn't be new. And then the last thing is under class materials. You'll see we'll have a portfolio. So I'll have an example portfolio. Check what yours should look like. It should look like mine. And then what are we doing each day? So this is our daily goals. So you can look ahead. This is a really useful document because everything is linked here. So generally each week I break down at the start of the week what our goals for are the week. If you want to see the goals for the entire rest of your quarter, basically each week we're going to focus on a different topic. Every day, we'll do some activities on that topic, and then weekly, you'll update and post on your portfolio. You'll have to have evidence of your work. So you're going to want to be doing a little bit each day, so then hopefully that update day is super simple, and you'll hopefully have lots to share with us. So let me just show you what a student's portfolio looked like from last semester. So last semester, we did start off kind of odd. We were remote, and then we came in person. So I'm really looking forward to just meet people the way that they're going to be, whether you're remote or in person. Welcome to fourth quarter. So hopefully we finish the year strong. So each week we'll be doing a little something different. So we will be exploring some scratch coding. Perhaps you've done some block coding before. So we're going to make an interactive game and a quiz that hopefully you can use in your core area classes. We'll also do an interactive controller. So you're going to be designing things in CAD. So you'll sometimes have projects that go in between both pages. I'm pretty excited for that. We're going to start this year with some drawing, technical drawing. So if you are familiar with Autodesk, they're the big CAD company. We're going to be using some products that work on Chromebooks. We are going to be using Tinkercad, and we are going to be using Floor Planner. There'll be other CAD programs out there that you do have access to. We'll spend a week on each of these ones. Other things that we'll explore, all things Google. So Google Classroom you're probably used to by now. Google Drive, that's basically anything that you want to save and share out from there. You guys will make Google Docs, Google Slideshows, Google Sheets. Google Maps is something that is probably very useful. So we'll be doing some virtual tours of not only capital region, but hopefully something that's useful to you, like a restaurant tour, and then vacation bucket lists and some live stream links as well. We'll also get into a little bit of robotics. So at the high school, we're a big VEX program, so we're going to start you off with some block coding in VEX, and your remote control robot will work in the virtual environment just like it will at school. So when you're in the building, I'll have robots for you to play with. If you're remote the whole time, you'll just have the playground, so you'll be able to see a robot and interact with code that way. We'll be doing different mazes and different shapes, polygons, all types of stuff. We'll also get into some circuitry. So we do have hands-on labs for you to do in school. We have a donation of broken computer mice. So we're going to take those apart so you can see some complex circuits. We'll talk about some basic circuits. So hopefully let's see. Her pictures didn't come through. We'll show those on another slide, but you'll take apart a mouse. You'll see the difference between like an Apple mouse and a PC mouse, a wireless mouse. It's a pretty fun lab. One of our other topics we'll do is we'll start talking about gardening. This is the time of year we're going to start planting things. So we do have a donation. What's nice about tech is it's a lot of hands-on things. So we do have 5-gallon buckets. If you're interested in growing some vegetables this year, we'll be doing some garden designs that way, and we'll actually be able to give you some supplies to take home with you, which I'm pretty psyched about. So that was what a student's portfolio looks like. You're going to want to check out my example portfolio. We'll talk about how to set this up in class today. And then just keep every day, check in on the Google Meet, check in Classroom. We'll do an activity each day together, and then you'll post it on your portfolio. And hopefully by the end of the course, you'll explore all these different topics and have some evidence to show off. I also just have a side portfolio on Instagram. Like I said, I like to get donations. I like to spend other people's money. It's like my favorite hobby. So that's why we do a lot of social media. If you would like to help me out and write some grants, you can show off your stuff to other companies. And that's how we get a lot of things to do in school, which is kind of cool. So hopefully today, guys, we'll get to know each other. You'll get to join Google Classroom, and you'll be setting up your portfolios. So thanks for joining us for our Maroon Team Quarter 4 Finish the Year Strong Technology 8 class with Mrs. Hynes. Thanks, folks.